Imagine if your phone could act like your personal wellness coach, helping you understand what to eat, how to sleep better, and what type of daily routine actually works for your body. This isn't science fiction anymore. In 2025, one of the biggest wellness trends across the United States is AI-powered personalized health, a system where technology studies your lifestyle and guides you toward healthier daily habits. Today, we're going to break down exactly how this works and why so many people are talking about it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most talked about wellness trends in the US, AI and personalized wellness. People are beginning to realize that one single diet or routine doesn't work the same way for everyone. And that's why artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool. It helps people understand what's best for their unique body and lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore what AI-powered wellness actually means, how personalized nutrition works, how technology tracks sleep, stress, and habits, why mental fitness tech is growing fast, what biohacking is and why it's trending, and practical steps you can start using today. So make sure you watch the video till the end.
What is personalized wellness? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is personalized wellness? Traditionally, people followed the same diet trends: keto, low carb, vegan, intermittent fasting, and so on. But the truth is simple. Every person's body works differently. Your metabolism is different, your lifestyle is different. Your sleep patterns, stress levels, and daily routines are different. So it makes sense that your wellness plan should also be different. This is where personalized wellness comes in. It's based on your own data, not someone else's. What kind of data can AI analyze? Heart rate, sleep patterns, daily movement, stress levels, eating habits, lifestyle choices, activity levels, food reactions, basic wellness behavior trends. AI reviews these patterns and helps suggest routines that may support healthier habits for your body and lifestyle. Instead of one size fits all, the future of wellness is what works for you.
AI's role in modern wellness. AI is becoming a powerful wellness tool because it can read patterns that humans often miss. In the US, people are already using apps and devices that analyze sleep quality, track movement and activity, monitor stress levels, provide personalized habit suggestions, and offer wellness reminders and insights. Here's what AI can help with. 1. Daily habit guidance. AI reviews your routines and suggests simple habit changes, like what time to sleep or how much activity you might need. 2. Meal and routine suggestions. Instead of random diet plans, AI may suggest meals that align with your lifestyle and behavior patterns. 3. Customized activity plans. AI identifies your energy levels and builds routines based on what you can realistically follow. 4. Sleep insights. Technology studies sleep cycles and helps you understand how to improve consistency. 5. Mood patterns. Some apps help track emotional patterns to support better mental habits. AI doesn't diagnose or treat anything. It simply gives guidance based on your daily behavior. Personalized nutrition. The idea is simple. Everyone's body reacts to food differently, so everyone needs their own type of eating routine. What goes into personalized nutrition? AI looks at your daily eating habits, your activity levels, energy patterns, digestion patterns, sleep behavior, lifestyle choices. Based on this, it suggests foods and routines that may support your general wellness. Common tools used in the US. 1. Lifestyle tracking apps. These apps monitor eating timing, steps, hydration, and energy levels. 2. Food response analysis. Some apps help track how certain foods affect your energy or comfort. 3. Routine-based recommendations. Instead of strict diets, AI focuses on what fits your daily life. Benefits: non-medical, lifestyle-based. Better daily energy, more consistent habits, less overeating, better awareness of food choices, smoother routines.
Mental fitness tech, growing fast. Another major wellness trend in the West is mental fitness. Mental fitness doesn't mean treating illness. It simply means building stronger daily habits for the mind, such as staying focused, reducing stress through habits, practicing calmness, improving emotional balance. What can AI-based apps do? Monitor stress patterns, suggest breathing exercises, provide mindfulness reminders, offer guided relaxation, help build positive routines.
Biohacking. Biohacking sounds complicated, but in simple terms, it means improving your lifestyle using small, science-supported habits. Popular lifestyle optimization habits in the US are cold exposure, cold showers or cold plunges, red light devices, daily step goals, intermittent fasting based on personal schedule, breath work, mobility exercises, vitamin and mineral awareness. Biohacking isn't about treatments, it's about small actions that help people feel more energized and focused.
Longevity lifestyle, living better, not just longer. Longevity isn't about extending life, it's about spending more years feeling active, productive, and mentally strong. Popular longevity habits are regular movement, prioritizing high-quality sleep, eating more whole foods, strength training, hydration, reducing stress, and tracking progress with apps. This is becoming a huge trend as more people prioritize long-term wellness.
So friends, that was a complete breakdown of AI and personalized wellness, one of the most important trends shaping modern health in the United States. If you want to start improving your wellness today, here are 5 simple steps. 1. Track your sleep. 2. Increase daily movement. 3. Reduce processed foods. 4. Practice relaxation or breathing habits. And 5. Use basic apps to understand your patterns. The world is shifting towards smarter, more personalized wellness habits, and understanding these trends can help you build a stronger, healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.